How's it going, boys? Today we're going to be installing the Goodwin Racing headers on my ND Miata. So if you're just here for the exhaust sound, really quick, my setup on the ND is I have a Goodwin Racing race axleback and stock midpipe. So the sound you're going to hear from this is just the Goodwin Racing headers and the Goodwin Racing race axleback. So if you're just here for the exhaust clip, go to this timestamp, you'll get your exhaust clip. For those of you who are here for the full video, I'll show you a clip of the headers really quick before I go, and then I'll pick back up when we get to Ethan's house where we're going to be installing them. So stick around.
Gee, oh my god.
Alright, so here's the headers. We're going to head up to SF to get these guys installed with Ethan. Hell yeah. Alrighty everyone, today Ethan is installing the Goodwin Racing header on the ND. He's down there slaving away right now for me. I'm paying him 50 cents an hour.
I wish.
So, here's the old header over here. You can see it's got this big, horrible device right here that restricts exhaust flow. We don't like to see that. Here's the new boys right here. We just started up with open headers and it sounded horrible. But yeah, I'll take some clips once we got it all installed. We'll do like a tunnel run. It'll be great. It'll be so loud. Also, new sticker to replace the old one. Kind of cool. How's the install been, Ethan?
Amazing compared to the shit I'm used to doing.
Yeah, so Ethan's always working on the E36 and the E46, and he's raving about how easy new cars are to work on. Which makes sense, honestly. All right, I'll pick this up once Ethan gets it all installed. All right, first start up with the headers. All right, boys, so we just got the headers installed, and Ethan is gonna do a flyby right now so I can get a outside clip of what it sounds like. But let me give you a hint, this shit is ridiculous. All right, welcome back, boys. We have just installed the headers and we're about to do a tunnel run with them so you guys can really hear the full extent of this sound. You purists, get the fuck out, because this is not for you. Huge shout out to Ethan for installing the headers basically all by himself. This man threw them on in like 30 minutes. All right, so here's the story with these headers, right? These headers are meant to go with a full exhaust system from the same company. It's a Goodwin Racing header. And you're supposed to have their mid-pipe and their quiet axleback. I don't have their mid-pipe and I have their loud axleback. So this is a setup that they recommend you don't run because it's too obnoxious. They literally say, don't run our headers with this loud axleback because it will make it ridiculous. 1 second.
Where do you want to go?
So yeah, the company that makes these headers literally says on their website not to run them with the exhaust that I have. But honestly, it's way too much fucking fun because it's so loud. So loud car, make head voice go quiet. Also, with the install of the headers, we get a little bit of a friend here on the dash, if you can see that. That's just because we had to relocate the O2 sensor. I'll get it tuned and just get that cleared. But we're vibing. vibing. I can't wait to do some late night toge POVs with this exhaust. It's gonna be fucking ridiculous.